these precious pots made from a normal terracotta little pot. What makes the difference? Air clay. There's that one. This one just has some little circles added with the air clay and painted. I'll show you how. I'm decorating a pot today with air clay. Now this one is DOS. You see how it does. Flatten it with your fingers and rub it right into this little mold. If you'll notice here, there are some places that are flat right there, so it's going to be open there. You can use your hands, but you can just make, use a lid or anything to make little circles and different things. If you want to try out this air dry clay, will have a link that you can click on and get it from Amazon. I am an associate, so I will receive a commission. I have these little jars. I'll just take one of these lids. Just use your imagination and do whatever. All these things help to make you have a happy home whenever you love your surroundings and the creative things that you've made. For this little pot, I'm going to put some tape along it and see if it'll help hold. Gonna have to make a few more. I think what's helping hold them too is pushing them together, the edges to each other, So just go all the way around and put the little circles, or you could do squares, or just actually you can do anything you want, but put your little design right along the edge. So now I have that one and that one. Let's see if this is going to come out a little bit easier. You can see it has dried some along the edges. Okay, let's flip it over and find that little edge and then just roll it back. And it's still kind of stuck in there. And if some of those little pieces come off, that's fine. We can just put them right back on. Add a little water. Needed some more powder in it. Or cornstarch, just something to help it come out. I don't know if I want to use that one or try again. Yeah. I'll try again, and this time I'm going to really be sure and flour it before I do it. Last time I didn't put fresh flour or fresh powder in it. Okay. Things don't turn out that great, that's fine. I'm not throwing them away or whatever. I am, of course you can reuse the clay right now, but I like to have some of that standing by or on hand. So if I'm doing something that I want a old world look, doesn't have to be perfect. It'll look more authentic if it's worn a little and a few pieces torn up. And I'm just going to clean it off along the edge with my fingers. once it's painted though, I think it's gonna look really good. I'm gonna try these little guys. You can tell they're kind of falling apart. It'll probably be easier to take everything out at the same time. Shall we try it? I'm gonna just roll the whole thing and see what happens. Wow. Okay, some of it's coming out pretty good. Just gonna roll this little guy back, this mold, roll the mold back and see what, if we can get that out. That one still seems too wet in the middle, and yet these smaller ones have dried. So just keep going. Kind of wants to flop out here at the end. I like that. Little flower shapes right on the little tray, you know, that goes, a little plate that goes under it. Just like that, just at the top enough that it will show. Can't wait for it to dry so I can paint them. I think I'll start by the inside right here. I like that look of aged gardening ware, you know, the pots or whatever that just look like they've been aged forever, like an old headstone.